Here are some key trends in AI automation as we approach 2025, based on recent insights and developments. Hyperautomation expansion. Hyperautomation involves the use of advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, ML, and robotic process automation, RPA, to automate complex business processes end to end. By 2025, businesses are expected to leverage hyperautomation more extensively for operational efficiency across various sectors like manufacturing, finance, and customer service. AI agents and autonomous systems. The development of AI agents that can autonomously manage tasks, make decisions, and interact with systems in real time is a significant trend. These agents are becoming more sophisticated, capable of understanding, planning, and executing tasks within complex workflows. This shift is expected to lead to less human intervention in routine tasks, thereby increasing productivity and opening new avenues for industry-specific solutions. Intelligent Document Processing, IDP. IDP is becoming more advanced with deeper AI and ML capabilities, allowing for high accuracy in data extraction,
Discover the magic of 3D
classification,
animation
and processing
adventure.
from unstructured documents.
Imagine a magical forest
This
filled with
trend is
glowing
crucial
plants,
for sectors
colorful
dealing with a
creatures, and
high volume
enchanting
of documents
landscapes.
like legal,
Now meet a curious
healthcare,
cat,
and
a
finance.
playful dog, and a clever rabbit.
AI in
Your cheerful
cybersecurity.
anthropomorphic guides to this
With
mesmerizing
cyber threats
wonderland.
becoming more
Sounds fun, right?
sophisticated,
The adventure
AI
is
is
just
playing a
beginning.
pivotal role in cybersecurity by
Each
predicting
character shines
attacks,
with expressive
detecting
facial animations and
vulnerabilities,
vibrant
and automating
personalities.
responses.
Watch them explore the
This includes
forest,
the use of
solve a
AI
lighthearted
for
mystery,
real-time
or hunt
anomaly
for hidden
detection and
treasure.
response,
It's about teamwork,
pushing the
joy,
development
and
of
a sprinkle of
AI-powered
mischief.
security products.
Perfect storytelling for kids and
Ethical
adults
AI
alike.
and responsible automation.
This isn't just animation,
There's a growing
it's an
emphasis on
experience.
ethical AI
Every scene
deployment,
sparkles with
focusing on
dynamic
reducing
lighting and
biases,
smooth, vivid
ensuring
animations.
transparency,
From glowing
and
plants to
complying with
playful
data
action
privacy laws.
sequences, the visuals take you on an
This trend is
unforgettable
driven by
journey.
both
You
public
won't believe
awareness
how
and
immersive
regulatory
this world
pressures,
feels.
pushing organizations towards more
Are you
responsible
ready to
AI
explore
practices.
delightful worlds, meet
Integration
lovable
of AI
characters,
into
and lose
everyday
yourself
business
in vibrant
processes.
animation?
AI is
Subscribe,
becoming more
follow,
embedded
and
in
share this
routine business
magical adventure with
operations,
friends.
moving from
Don't just
standalone
watch,
tools to
be part of the
integrated
story.
solutions
The
that
magic
enhance
starts now.
workflows.